Hello friends, let's look on Lightning McQueen cars in Disney Pixar toys. Press like, let's go. First. Oh nice, it's DJ. Yeah, cool.
A nodder.
Next. Wow, it's dirt track Lightning McQueen. Yeah, nice. Oh. Next. Oh yeah, it's King. Nice, cool.
I'm not coming in behind you again,
Next. Oh wow, it's Rod Dad from Cars on the Road. Nice. Next. Oh wow, it's Fabulous Dog Hudson. Nice.
Took Hudall in no time to work his way through the best racers in both Carolinas.
Cool. Next. Oh yeah, it's Serge. Cool, yeah.
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello, face. Drop and give me 20 more.
Next. Oh wow, it's Tex Dinoca. Yeah, cool.
Well, then race for me. Tex. Miss Cruz, I would be tickled pink to have you.
Next. Oh yeah, it's Tractor. Nice, yeah. Next. Wow, it's Dinoca Lightning McQueen. Nice, cool. Next. Oh yeah, it's Ivy. Cool, yeah.
Whoa!
Oh wow, it's Rotor Turboski. Nice, cool.
McQueen and Sally, park beneath the tree. K-I-S.
Next. Oh yeah, it's Luigi. Nice, yeah.
No. You will have your chance, Guido. You will have your chance.
Next. Wow, it's Space Car Dexter. Cool, nice.
Look at that! McQueen made it through!
Next. Oh yeah, it's Stowe Mater. Nice, cool.
Queen, welcome back!
Mater, it's so good to see you.
You too, buddy. Oh, man.
Next. Oh wow, it's Lizzie. Cool.
And he asked me again, and I said no. But oh, he was a persistent little...
Nice. Next. Yeah, it's Ramon. Nice, cool.
Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Oh,
maybe
thanks,
ghost
man.
flame.
Next. Oh wow, Fire Truck Red. Cool, yeah. Next. Oh nice, it's Lightning McQueen. Nice, cool. Next. Wow, it's brand new Mater. Cool, nice.
Шутка потренировался.
Next. Oh wow, it's Cruising Lightning McQueen. Cool, nice.
Springs looks pretty good on me.
I'll say.
Next. Oh wow, it's Jackson Storm. Nice, cool. Next. Oh yeah, it's Metro. Cool, yeah.
The Dows. No, мы с ним...
Next. Oh wow, it's Tokyo Mater. Yeah, cool. Next. Oh yeah, it's Sheriff. Cool, haha, nice.
He making another run for it?
No. He ran out of asphalt in the middle of the night.
Next. Wow. Ramon. Nice, haha, cool.
Baby Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing.
Next. Oh yeah, it's Fillmore. Cool, haha, yeah.
I heard about it before.
It's a conspiracy, man. The oil company's got a grip on.
Next. Oh yeah, it's transforming like in McQueen. Nice, haha, cool. Oh wow, it's Dinoca Cruz Ramirez. Cool, haha, nice.
Thanks, God.
Next. Yeah, it's Rusty's Racing Center like in McQueen. Cool, haha, yeah. Next. Wow, it's not Rod. Nice, haha, cool.
Get your kicks on Route 66.
Next. Oh yeah, it's Wingo. Cool, haha, nice. Next. Oh yeah, it's Finmark Missile. Nice, haha, yeah.
А мы меж тем вооружим тебя посерьезней.
Next. Wow, it's Sally Carrera. Nice, haha, cool.
See you dinner.
What the? Ow! Ooh, please.
Next. Oh wow, it's Fabulous Lightning McQueen. Cool, haha, yeah. Next. Nice, it's Dark Krenkel from Cars on the Road. Yeah, cool. Next. Oh wow, it's Radiator Springs Lightning McQueen. Nice, haha, cool.
Well, you sure ain't no dirt boy.
Not today, old man. I know.
Next. Oh yeah, it's Dinoca Lightning McQueen. Nice, haha, cool.